So it's been around 2-3 months since we first launched BG Blur, and there are a lot of things we've done so far, right? So firstly, on top of my head, the search for the product has gone shot up. So let me go to bgblur.com, and if you look at this, the search has been improving over time. We've reached 154 clicks already on certain keywords, and we are continuing to go up over time. So definitely from the search console standpoint, we've made decent amount of progress. From the design standpoint, compared to what we had initially shipped, if you noticed, we've now improved the design significantly, where the whole UI seems more minimal, and we've also added a new feature around BG Blur, which has slowly become one of the popular features on the platform. So what is BG Blur and why did we ship it? Firstly, like I said, the name of the product itself was BG Blur, and we shipped the product with features that had face and license plate blur. So BG Blur was kind of in the plans anyways. And in order to use this, you would typically go ahead and click on upload video button and select the video that you want to use. So let's say this is the video I want to use. You can see the background here is not blurred, and the focus is both on the person here and on the chair. So what this allows you to do is that once you upload the video, you can see by default it kind of takes face blur as the option, but you want to select BG Blur for background. And when you do this, it will generate a new preview for you. And this also means that we've recently kind of shipped the update that allows you to preview the frames before you finally export them. So this is how the original frame looked like, and this is how the new frame is going to look like after the export. We've also shipped updates around privacy, meaning all the videos that you upload on the platform will automatically get deleted in 24 hours. So we don't keep any videos locally, not for machine learning, not for any scenarios. So once you kind of upload your video, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and click on process video, and this kind of starts the processing piece for your video, where it kind of now starts working on blurring your background. Now, depending on which plan you're on and how many credits you have, this can take some time in order to process. So I'm just going to wait for it to complete the processing, and I'm going to show you once it's completed. You can see we are waiting in queue because I'm still on the free plan, and given that I'm the creator, it's kind of funny, but slowly I'll upgrade to the pro plan as well. So let's just wait for it to complete the run, and I'm going to show you the final results. So the video is ready, and you can see this is how the result looks like. So we all have kind of made nothing in the video is changed, but you can see there's like a nice blur that is added in the video, which kind of makes sure that we are focusing on the subject in the video itself. You can go ahead and download the video, you can leave the feedback, but this is essentially what we've shipped, and all the videos, the original and the processed ones, get deleted in 24 hours. So we don't store anything locally, and this is our attempt to make sure the data stays private. But that also means that you guys have relatively little time to make sure that your videos are downloaded, so that you are not kind of looking for it later on. But this is how you would remove background from video, and this is the high level of what progress we've made on BG Blur so far. We're soon going to launch this on different platforms, but in the meantime, just wanted to kind of give you the update. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.